Hello students, hope you are doing well and we are going to do some important preparation. So take it seriously. First of all, we will brief about the sixth unit means nervous system of second paper about invertebrate. But before starting this unit, we should have some basic knowledge about nervous system, okay? So now we started. Nervous system is the part of an animal's body that coordinates its behavior and transmits signals between different body parts. Nervous system is the major controlling, regulatory and communicating system in our body. It is the center of all mental activities including thought, learning and memory. Nerve cells or neurons are the basic elements of the nervous system, means only neurons are specialized to transmit and receive various types of stimuli. There are three types of nervous system including central nervous system which contains brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system that contain cranial and spinal nerves and autonomic nervous system that contain glands and muscles. Now we have to start some more details of nervous system from protozoa. Because they are unicellular, so there are no actual organs of nervous system and hence it can be well understood through their behavior. They can respond to a variety of external stimuli like temperature, light, touch, chemicals, water current, gravity and heat, and they respond with particular stimuli are called behavior. If the animal moves toward a stimulus, the response is positive, and when it moves away from the stimulus, the response is negative. Now we will study about the sponges. Sponges are the most primitive multicellular metazoans and sessile in their nature. That means they are immobile and shows filter feeding for nutrition. But they also respond to their environment by changing the canal sizes in their filter feeding system, and this action is called an inflation-contraction response. This response is created by canal system present in the sponges by which they contract, and the wave of contraction ejects water and unwanted material from the body through osculum by excurrent canal. Here we must study about the canal system in short because it is very important topic for your exam purpose, okay? Therefore, we should also take a look here. There are three types of canal system present in sponges: Ascent type canal system, Cycon type canal system and Lucan type canal system, and here we will study about the first one only. First one and the second one. So the first one is Ascent type canal system. It is the simplest type of canal system which is found in Leucosolia. We know that ostia are present on the entire surface of their body and they lead directly into the spongocele and spongocele to osculum. So the water circulation path is also too simple, that is water comes from outside through ostia inside the body and from ostia to spongocele and spongocele to osculum for outside. The second one is Cycon type canal system. This system is present in Cycon and Grantia. They show a very complex canal system. This canal system can be derived from Askonoid type by folding of their body wall, and due to this the water circulation path is also slightly longer. So the water circulation path is like this. The water comes from ostia inside via incurrent canal first and then in the prosopyle, and from prosopyle to radial canal to apopyle, apopyle to spongocele, spongocele to osculum and from osculum to outside again. Now the significance. The canal system brings constant supply of water into the body and helps in respiration. Water brings with in small particles, food particles which are used by the sponges. It helps in the process of reproduction, that is, germ cells are carried out and into the body of other sponges. It also helps in the process of discarding waste matter out of the body, which are generated by the process of excretion. We come back to our point. In diploblastic and triploblastic invertebrates, there are 5 general evolutionary trends in nervous system that help to understand the development of different type of nervous system. And first, out of 5, we are going to study about the first one trend, which is a nerve net. So, the presence of nerve net is the simplest pattern of invertebrate nervous system that found in radially symmetrical ciliates such as hydra, jellyfishes, sea anemones, and comb jellies. So, the nervous system started with the origin of ciliates. In these animals, a network of nerve cells or nerve net forms their very simple nervous system. Here, various interconnected neurons present throughout the body, usually beneath the outer epidermal layer. Due to the lacking of brain or other form of civilization, this type of nervous system is also called as primitive nervous system. And because the nerve cells are scattered in the entire body, so it is also termed as diffuse nervous system. This type of arrangement of nerve cells allows the ciliate to detect chemical changes, to capture food, and to move in response to a particular stimulus. But the diffused network of nerve cells conduct impulses in all directions. क्योंकि यहाँ किसी तरह की कोई पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन नहीं होती है, क्योंकि केवल नर्व सेल्स ही है जो एंटायर बॉडी में स्कैटर्ड फॉर्म में होती है, डिफ्यूज्ड फॉर्म में होती है, इसलिए यहाँ कोई भी पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन नर्व सेल के इंफॉर्मेशन कैरी करने के लिए नहीं होती, इसलिए ये जो डायरेक्शन है ये अनपोलराइज्ड कहलाता है. And we can see this nervous system in figure number 1. Okay. So today we have initiated the first step of neural trend, and the further trend we will study in the next class. Okay.